Welcome back to Good Health Guide. Are you ready to transform your smile in just 2 days? In today's video, I'll be sharing some quick, effective, and all-natural ways to whiten your teeth at home without breaking the bank. So grab your notepad and let's glow up that smile. Natural teeth whitening. Before we get started, let's be real. Whiter teeth can boost your confidence and make your smile more radiant. But harsh chemicals in store-bought whiteners can sometimes damage your enamel. That's why these natural remedies are such a game changer. Here's what we'll cover today: a simple baking soda and lemon paste, coconut oil pulling, the magic of strawberries. Stick around because I'll also share a few bonus tips to maintain that pearly white smile. Take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, swish it around your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, that long. Spit it out and rinse with warm water. Repeat this twice a day for the next 2 days for amazing results. Strawberry magic. Did you know strawberries contain malic acid, a natural whitening agent? Combine them with baking soda for even better results. Mash up 1 ripe strawberry into a paste. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Apply the mixture to your teeth with a toothbrush or your finger. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Do this once a day for 2 days, and you'll start noticing a brighter smile. Bonus tips for maintaining your white smile. Avoid stain-causing foods like coffee, red wine, and dark sodas during these 2 days. Brush your teeth twice a day with a whitening toothpaste. Drink through a straw to minimize contact with staining liquids. And that's it. In just 2 days, these natural remedies can make a noticeable difference in the brightness of your teeth. Give them a try, and let me know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Good Health Guide and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more tips for glowing up.